Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to sync Shopify orders in Airtable automatically. So here we need a third-party site, so we will use Zapier. Just go ahead and log into your Zapier account or create a new one. Once inside the dashboard, click on the Create button on the left-hand panel, then choose Zaps. Now, click on the first trigger and search for Shopify. Then select it. Here, for the trigger event, choose on New Order. Then click on Sign In. And in here, you need your Shopify domain. So go to your Shopify account, click on Settings on the lower left corner, then go to Domains. Now choose your very first domain, then copy this and paste it on Zapier and click on Yes and continue to Shopify. Now, just install the Zapier app on your Shopify. After that, click on Continue. Then go ahead and test the trigger. While it is testing, click on the second trigger and then search for Airtable. Then click on it. Now for the action event, choose Create Record. Then just sign in to your Airtable account. Now just add resources and a base. And click on Grant Access. Once done, just continue. For the base, just choose one, and also for the table, I will choose on Content Pieces. Then you can add in this field or not if you want, so just continue. And now, just test the step. So before you publish, you need to resolve the issues to other steps. So go to Shopify and test the trigger again. Then just continue and continue. And now you will be able to publish it. But before it, you need to upgrade to a Pro plan to publish. So just go ahead and select a plan. Once done, you will be able to publish your connection or integration, and that's just it. Your Shopify orders will now automatically go to Airtable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.